Aloha everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a pearl pour. Surprise, right? I just can't seem to stay away from them. I think they're my favorite for a number of reasons. I love the way they look when they're done right. And they're also a challenge every time because different paints react different recipes react different. Sometimes there's too many, sometimes there's not enough. So we're going to try these colors today. I know some of these pearl well, and I don't know if some of the others do or not. So let's talk about the colors. I'm going to move you over because I'm going to put pictures of the colors right here. Some red with this orange. So there are my colors right there, so if you need to take a screenshot, go ahead. I know that was pretty quick, but we like quick. So I just want to say on this mat, I got this mat and it's a 16 by 24. It's called Super Kitchen. I got it from Amazon. It'll be down in my description. Sometimes I like the silicone mats, and sometimes, you know, if you plan on leaving your project there with the drips being pretty heavy, it comes off easy. If you try to clean the mat and you leave very little paint on there, they're a little harder to clean. So I know I'm going to be leaving this here. So let's get started. Okay, here's my base coat, my pearl mix. It's 1 part Satin Deco Art Enamel, 2 parts 70/50 Behr Satin, 4 parts Artist Loft Soft Body, 1 part GAC 800, half a part Liquitex Pouring Medium, the gloss, and 5 parts Floetrol, that's US Floetrol. And then I add water to a very thin consistency. I want my base to be thinner than my colors, just by a little. So let's get started. So my paints, this sinks in, holding up like 2 inches above. It'll sink in. The colors will only sink in. It'll form a mound really fast and then sink in. They won't sink right away. I just find if the colors are a little thicker, that they sink better, which allows the pearl mix to come up because a lot of it's the density of the paints and the pigments. Okay, let's get started. This is a used canvas. I have push pins on the back. I made sure it was level. Okay, let's get going. Start with the orange. Puddles. Okay, I don't like where this is going. I like this. I don't think I got enough paint off over here. The orange color, I guess that brand of paint is just, everything's wonky. So I took that light orange out. Well, I didn't take it out. I just added some Basics magenta to the orange, and I got this deeper dark persimmon color. So I'm going to take out the other orange. I made a new yellow because that yellow is messed up. Arteza lemon yellow for this color. I'm going to go ahead and keep the blue. I'm going to keep all the other colors. So I'm going to do right through here. I'm going to do a Dutch pour. And I'm going to use the black, and we'll just see how that goes. Okay, I'm done messing with it. There's not going to be any more pearls, I don't think. If there is, I'll take a picture and put it at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be with the close-up in just a minute. Okay, I'm done. It's been about an hour, and I think the pearls have stopped. It's pretty wild colors. Not what I thought it'd turn out to be when I started. This looks sort of like a dragon head. And then it slithers back. Anyway, I'm on the fence about this one. Tell me what you think in the comments. I'd appreciate it. The Dutch pour over it. I'm glad I did it. Turned out with some nice cells. So I'm going to have to try another one. I want more blue to show up, and I need to put more color paint on the canvas. Take care. Keep on pouring. Aloha.